Hello guys, it's me Karthik. Hope you guys are doing really good. So in our previous video, we have learned how we can delete a single job by passing group name and the job name. If you have the group name, you can pass it. If you are not using any group name in building that job, you don't need to pass it as well. Okay. Now what we are going to do is we are going to learn how we can delete all the running jobs. Okay, what is the process and all those steps we will try to see. So basically what are the running jobs in my system, that I will tell you, so that it's very easy for you guys to follow as well. Okay, so I'm using a post construct. So whenever this first job run is started, this method will get executed and it is going to execute for 200 times. This job is going to execute for 200 times basically, and that means this method will execute. Okay, that's a one thing. And in my Quartz scheduler there is another endpoint called this, which is going to also call a second job, where that job also going to execute 200 times. Once I am set up these two, I have these two jobs running. With the help of delete all jobs, I am going to delete everything. Okay, so that thing we are going to implement today. So how can I do that? First go to your scheduler and see all the methods. Control F12. Here type something called delete jobs. There you have the list of job keys. So if I know that job keys, if I can able to bring that job keys to this list, then I can easily delete all of them, right? That is cool. Now how can I get that job keys? Let me type something like this here itself. Now you could see here I have the set of job keys, right? Cool, no issue. I have their set. I can pass it this here, right? So let's go to the scheduler first and let's create one reusable method. Okay, so let me take public void delete all jobs. Okay, here from scheduler I need to have delete jobs. Here I need to pass this. Okay, I need to have the job key list, right? In order to do that, what I need to have is job key list, right? So let me keep something called job, let me keep scheduler dot get job key, get job keys from group matcher dot any group. I'm going to take all the groups so that I will get all the job keys here, right? So this part, let me put it in try catch, and this guy as well I can send it in my try catch. Okay, now what will happen is this will return me the set of job keys. Can I pass that set here? Can I pass that set? No, because there is a set here, it is a list. Okay, okay, list of job keys, job keys, job keys, let's say like job keys are job keys list is equal to, can I directly convert? Will that work? No. Okay, okay. New array list. I'll take new array list of job keys. Will this work? It looks like it's working. Yeah, job keys list. Yeah, I think this is what we need. And is it return anything? Job keys list? Yes, it is returning boolean, so that I can change the return type of the method to boolean and I can return this statement directly, right? Cool, nice. Now let's build the endpoint for this, since I have the reusable method. Post mapping, let me take post mapping here, delete all jobs. Okay, delete all the jobs. Okay, let me use the above. Here, delete all jobs. I don't need all these path variables. Okay, now main scheduler dot delete all jobs. I think we are good to go. Okay, we are good to go with this. Yeah, now what we can do is simply run our application. Okay, so once it starts running, I need to call my second job as well so that I can show you properly. So to call the second job, I have this method called schedule, right? So post method, and I have something called schedule. Okay, so if you come down, it is started just now, not yet picked up the first job. I'm waiting for the first job to be picked up. Yeah, first job is picked up, then I'm going to run the second job, so both of them should picked up simultaneously. Okay, I think there is something, it is a get mapping. Okay, now both the jobs started, right? Because I could see second and the first. Cool. Now let's delete both of them with our endpoint. Delete all the jobs. Okay, this should be the post mapping. I think, yeah, it is true. So both the jobs should be stopped. Nothing is there. All of them are stopped here. That is cool. All of them are stopped. Error occur while scanning for the next. I think that is fine. It is looking for some trigger. No record found for the selection of the trigger with a key default. Okay, that's fine. But both the jobs were stopped after we are passing this method, right? So this is also a cool feature that I would like to show you to you guys, because it's also an important future when we want to abruptly close any job. Okay, the important thing here is deleting all the jobs. You need to know how to get the job keys. Once you have the job keys, you can simply pass these job keys with the delete jobs directly. Okay, since I have different groups, I am using directly any group. If you don't want, you can directly pass here your specific group name as well, like group job group starts with something like that. Okay, anything is fine. Yeah, I think this is for this tutorial, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. It's me, Karthik, signing off.